If someone offers you two job roles today, one from Deloitte India and another from Deloitte USI, which one would you choose? Most students immediately say USI because the package is higher. But is higher package the only thing that matters? What if I tell you that Deloitte India and Deloitte USI are actually two completely different organizations operating under the Deloitte brand? And depending on your career goals, the better choice for you might not be the one you think. So in this video, I'm going to compare Deloitte India and Deloitte USI point by point with real examples, so that by the end of this video, you will clearly understand which one suits you better. Let's start with the biggest difference, the clients. In Deloitte India, you usually work directly with Indian business, Indian clients and sometimes clients from nearby regions. For example, if a large Indian bank hires Deloitte for consulting services, the Deloitte India team may directly interact with that client. Now let's talk about the Deloitte USI. USI stands for US Offices of India. The primary purpose of USI is to support Deloitte's US operations. So imagine a Deloitte team sitting in New York. They may delegate certain work to their USI counterparts in India. So in many cases, your client's interaction may be indirect. You support the US team who are interacting with the client. Coming to the next point, work hours. This is one area many students ignore before joining, the work timings. In Deloitte India, you generally work during standard Indian business hours, sometimes like morning to evening. But in Deloitte USI, even though you are physically working from India, your stakeholders may be sitting in the United States. So imagine this, you finish your work at 6 pm and then suddenly a meeting is scheduled with the US team at 8:30 pm. This happens because there's need to be overlap between India and US working hours. So if work-life balance is important to you, this is something you should know beforehand. Coming to the third point, that is salary difference. Now let's talk about the point everyone waits for, the package. In most cases, Deloitte USI pays more than Deloitte India. The difference can vary depending on the role, experience and business unit. But generally speaking, USI compensations tends to be higher. If you ask why, it is because USI supports the US market and therefore salary structure are often more competitive. So if salary is your top priority, USA usually has the advantage. Coming to the fourth point, that is regarding designations. Now here's something interesting. Two people can have almost identical responsibilities, almost identical experience, but completely different job titles. For example, a particular designation in Deloitte India may be called manager, while a similar level position in USI may have a different title. So don't compare opportunities only based on designation names. Always understand the actual responsibilities. Coming to the next point, that is regarding the welcome kit. It is a small difference, but students often ask about it. The welcome kit. In Deloitte USI, receiving a welcome kit is generally common. Many new joiners receive goodies, welcome merchandise, and onboarding kits. In Deloitte India, it often depends on the line of service and specific team, so experience can vary. Coming to the next point, that is regarding on-site opportunities. Now let's discuss about something many freshers dream about, international travel. In Deloitte USI, you are supporting US operations. So depending on your project and performance, there may be opportunities to travel to the United States for project implementation, for client support, for business requirements. In Deloitte India, travel opportunities exist as well, but they are usually related to Indian clients or other regions depending on the project. Coming to the next point, that is rewards and recognition. Let's say you perform exceptionally well. What happens? In Deloitte USI, there are structured recognition programs such as Outstanding Performance Awards, Applause Awards, Spot Awards, and some of these can include monetary rewards, which becomes an additional motivation for employees. Coming to the next point, that is regarding the leaves and PTO, because everyone loves holidays. In Deloitte USI, the paid time off structure is generally quite popular among employees. You will often hear terms like PTO, which combines flexibility for personal and vacational needs, while Deloitte India follows its own leave policies. The exact structure can vary by business unit, but many employees feel USI provides comparatively better flexibility. Coming to the point 9, that is regarding interview opportunities. This is a very important point. Let's say you apply to Deloitte India and unfortunately you get rejected. Does that mean you cannot apply to Deloitte USI? No, because these are separate entities. So a rejection from one does not automatically prevent you from applying to the other. This is something many students don't know. Coming to the point 10, that is regarding employee benefits. Finally, talking about employee discounts and benefits. Deloitte USA employees often get access to discount programs, which may include offers on brands, services, subscriptions, and more. These benefits vary over time, but they are often considered an additional perk of working in USI. Now comes the final question: which one is actually better? The answer is it depends on what you want. If you want more client facing exposure, direct interaction with businesses, faster practical learning, then Deloitte India may be a better fit. But if you want higher compensation, US brand, US based project exposure, better perks and benefits, global work environment, then Deloitte USA may be a better choice. Neither is universally better. They simply serve different purpose. So before choosing based only on package, understand the type of work, understand the work culture, and understand the growth opportunities. Because the best job is not always the one with the biggest number. The best job is the one that aligns with your long-term goals. And if you are preparing for Deloitte interviews, I have already uploaded videos on self-introduction, project explanation, follow-up questions, HR interview preparation, and Deloitte NLA process. So make sure to check them out. If you are currently selected for Deloitte USI, comment USI. If you are targeting Deloitte India, comment India. And if you have worked in either of them, share your experience in the comments. It may help hundreds of students make the right decision. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.